guys, today I will be showing you how to green screen like a pro. So first, we all know how to open our project files and import and all that stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our clips and put them in as per usual. Keep existing settings. And you want to drag in your clips. You all know how to do that. If you don't, why are you watching this video? So, when you green screen, you want to go into effects. You want to search for keying. And you want to get your Ultra key and drag it onto all of your clips with green screen. Once you've done that, if you zoom in on your clips, they should display purple on the effects key, or display, whatever. After you've Ultra keyed something, you want to take your dropper tool and press the green. Now, sometimes your white stuff doesn't show up, but in this clip, for some reason it does. Yeah, I messed up. But next scene, I want to show you something that will show up on green screen pretty well, and that's this shield. Shout out to anyone in the comments who can tell me whose shield that is. Now, with some things, you don't use some items with certain green screens. Like this clip, there it goes. See? Now, when I take away the effect, the bag is green. Make sure that your stuff is not green. That concludes today's tutorial. I hope you had fun. See you next time.